Hey, so in this video, we are going to talk about how you can get a return on investment or ROI on conferences. Here's the interesting thing. Most people, when they look at conferences, it's like, it's such a time suck. I'm not making any money on it. And I was kind of asking myself the question too, like I'm spending all this time going to conferences, I'm speaking at conferences around the world. Am I even making money on it? So I did an audit before the new year started, just to look at how I'm spending my time. And I looked at last year, I was like, man, I was going to places like Ukraine, I was going to places like Poland, but at the end of the day, those weren't the most ideal conferences to go to because there was zero business value. I actually did an analysis and I created a spreadsheet. And basically on the spreadsheet, I was looking at the conferences that did well. One conference, we spent, let's just call it to be conservative, $2,000. And we yielded already $50,000 from that conference. We did another conference, we invested about $12,000 in it and got about $77,000 back. I think it sounds like there's a return on investment on these conferences. Maybe we should just keep doing this. You win. Maybe in the very beginning when you're starting out as a business, you don't know what you're gonna get, but you go there and then you audit yourself at the end of the year. Look at how you spent your time, because the time I spent flying to Poland, that was a 12-hour flight. Then it's like, yeah, I spent like 5 days there. I spoke for like an hour on the stage and then like, that was basically it. The time I could have put into my business, it would have been a higher ROI, right? So you gotta look at it. Even though you make money sometimes from conferences, like the ROI, the return on investment, you might gross a lot of money, but the opportunity cost of not sitting in your business and actually executing and planning out things in terms of strategy, doing things tactically, might not be worth it, right? But I can tell you for us, we've narrowed down to a couple of conferences that we plan on going to, and they're probably gonna be staples for the next couple of years or so, but you gotta keep auditing yourself. That's kind of the key thing. If you aren't taking a step back into all the money that you're spending, whether it's on advertising, conferences, whatever it is exactly, even people too, like are you getting a return on investment on people? I actually talked to our operations director today. He created a sheet around people too. So there's that too. Like if you want to go that granular, you definitely can, but you definitely need to be measuring, because if you don't measure it, you can't manage it. So if you enjoyed that, you enjoyed videos like this, if you want to see stuff like this, don't forget to leave a comment. Let us know what you plan on measuring in terms of ROI, and we'll see you in the next video. And the next video, if you have no other videos to check out here, just check out our video about how personality tests actually help you grow, and we'll see you tomorrow.